This video provides instructions on how to install the downspouts in the Trex RainEscape system. The downspout is designed for 12-inch or 16-inch joist spacing. Each bay has one downspout. The downspout is 10 inches tall and the perfect height for a 2x10 joist. To install a downspout, cut the pre-scored marked guideline on the downspout with a utility knife. Install the downspout along the rim joist or the ledger board, making sure the cut side is facing the deck bay. Staple the downspout into place. The downspout funnels water into a standard 5-inch gutter below the deck. The funnel nozzle of the downspout hangs at least 1 inch into the gutter line. The funnel can also be extended down for 2x12 LVL or I-joist. The downspout can also be trimmed to fit a smaller size joist, such as a 2x6 or 2x8.